How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the WhatsApp mobile version. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So for that, all you need to do is, if you are on your Android phone, head over to Play Store and you will be finding this interface. So in the bottom, you'll be finding a search box. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and in the search bar, you can go ahead and type in WhatsApp. And when you do that, this is the official one, which is WhatsApp Manager. Just go ahead and click on the install option right here. Instead of open, you'll be finding install. Just go ahead and install it. After that, open it up, and you just need to use your phone number in order to register for yourself, and that is it. So in the space, you just need to enter your phone number and tap on next. After that, a 6-digit code will be received. You just need to go ahead and enter it up and set up your account, and that is basically how you download the mobile version of WhatsApp for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.